Hello guys, so I am in Jaipur and I decided of making a get ready with me here in Jaipur. Now there's a lot of background noises here and that is why I'm going to do a voiceover for this entire video. So before starting the makeup tutorial, I'm going to apply a lens and then we're going to get started. The lens that I'm going to be using today is from Affairs contact lenses. They have a wide variety of colors and all of the colors blend very naturally, giving them a very bright and beautiful look. They have 14 dazzling colors from which you can choose, but for today's video I'm using Charming Hazel. Quarterly disposable contact lenses can be used for up to 3 months. You can shop them and choose from the variety of different colors they have available from the link in my description box below. First of all, I'm going to be applying my face with a BBCC cream. I'm going to mention all the products on my screen. So generally for the blush, I always apply it on the center of my face. But recently, thanks to Instagram Reels, I have learned quite a few hacks and I got to know that, applying it below your cheekbone sort of an area gives you a very lifted look. And that's what I'm going to do. Now, I'm obviously using my phone camera to see my makeup because I don't have the mirror with me while I'm traveling. Now I'll be using a highlighter on all the high points of my face and I've applied an eyeliner and a lipstick off camera. You can see the mentioned product details which I have used for this particular video on the screen, and this was it for my get ready with me in Jaipur. A very natural, subtle look for an everyday look, especially for the dry weather here in Jaipur. It is a perfect look. Minimal products and a very natural finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.